You've been
So I
coming in
don't-
front of me and Judge Hessen repeatedly over the
I
course of the
know,
last
I don't,
3
you
weeks.
won't give me a chance right now. I told you what's up. I get $1,200 coming, and I got buddies that are going to help me too with vehicles for the time. I'm buying a vehicle anyway, so I can get my Social Security in 1 month.
Gregory Lynn Sorrell, 26W842-674, 26W842-997. And that's it.
Michael A. Carmen, P73824, on behalf of the defendant, Your Honor.
Mr. Sorrell, your name, sir?
Gregory L. Sorrell.
Good afternoon, Mr. Sorrell. Does he stand mute, waive formal reading on these?
Yes, sir, on both matters.
Not guilty pleas are entered, and now, as I understand it, he's going to plead on. I can't read the. Looks like he's going to plead on this case, May 27 incident. He's going to plead his charge to trespassing, and then they're going to go ahead and dismiss 6W842-997, right?
Correct, Your Honor.
Is that what you want to do, sir?
Yes, and I want to explain about I was in jail on my birthday already, and I've been here 30 days almost already, sir. So I think I should be able to get out the 18th this Saturday, which was planned on.
If you plead guilty to the trespass charge, the possible penalties are up to 500 fines, 90 days jail, costs are all those. If you plead on that on 2874, offense date May 27 to 26, I'll go ahead and dismiss on motion of the prosecutor the May 24, 26 incident. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I understand that.
Understand you are presumed innocent. They have to prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt. You have the right to a trial by court or jury. You have the right to question their witnesses, to bring in your own, to use the subpoena powers of the court to bring in those witnesses. If you plead guilty, you'll be giving up all those rights. You'll be giving up the presumption of innocence, waiving the requirement that they prove you guilty beyond a reasonable doubt, your right to a trial by court or jury, right to question witnesses at that trial, and right to bring in your own witnesses. Do you understand that?
Yeah.
To the charge trespassing from May 27 to 26, how do you plead?
Guilty.
Were you at 22470 Allen Road in Woodhaven at Super Suds?
Yes.
Had you been told that they did not want you there, or had been trespassed from the property by either signage or letters or communication from the owner?
Yes.
And you went back anyway, right?
Raining and snowing, yeah, and had to use their facilities to dry my clothes and spend money there, yeah. There you go.
Right now, are you on probation or parole?
No, nothing.
Anybody force you to plead guilty?
No.
Plea is accepted to that charge. I'm going to dismiss on motion prosecutor 26W842-997. Heather, can you pull up Mr. Sorrell? I'm not sure when I sentenced him on the last case.
Now, let me take a look here, Judge. I want to say it was 45 days.
I gave him 45, starting when?
Yes. It was, I believe that was the 17th of June.
So he served 14, he served 27 days, including today, it sounds like, right?
I just want to double check. I'm going off. I just got to find the correct. I'm almost positive, Judge, that that's correct. I just want to make sure. I haven't had all the right cases here. Sorry.
And can you give me the case number of that one?
Yep, that one's 26W 843401. So yes, it was 45 days beginning June 17th.
Anything you'd like to say, Mr. Carmen?
Yeah, I would ask for consideration of an immediate sentence and credit for time served, please.
Anything else, Mr. Sorrell?
Yes, sir. I told you what's up. I'm getting $1,200 Social Security when I get out of here, and for sure, and I'm getting out of Woodhaven. I'm buying a place in Taylor. So
You told me that
you know what
stuff
I mean?
for 5 years now.
What? I mean, I'm doing it. See, you never give me a chance anyway. You don't give me. You don't give. Here's what's up. You never give me personal bond ever either. Never. One time. That's
Mr.
it. You
Sorrell,
don't even give me a chance.
Mr. Sorrell,
You don't.
I don't know what's going on with you.
I know
You're in
what's going
front.
on. I'm getting out of town. I am. You can't, you know what? See, you won't even take a chance on it. I need to get out of here, man. Saturday, I was supposed to leave, man. So,
You've been
So I
coming
gotta
in
go.
front of me and Judge Hessen repeatedly over the
I
course of the
know. I
last
don't.
3 4
You
years.
won't give me a chance right now. I told you what's up. I get $1,200 coming, and I got buddies that are going to help me too with vehicles for the time I'm buying a vehicle anyway, so I can get my Social Security in 1 month. Oh man.
100 fines, 100 costs, 75 victims' rights, $50 justice assessment, 325 or 7 days. I'll give you credit for time served on that case, 26W843-401. You'll serve out your jail term on the other and be released. I just don't understand why you won't stop
What-
trespassing.
What did you give me? 7 days then?
No, you're all set on this one. You just have to finish out your jail term on the other one.
Oh,
Good
and
luck.
I'm done, right? Saturday,
Good luck.
I'm done then.
Good luck.
Saturday, I'm
Thanks.
done, right?
Okay. Okay.
All right, I'm done Saturday. Then I can walk out of here. That's the day I'm supposed to walk out. The 18th. Yeah.
If that's what they told you, I gave
Okay,
you
good.
45 days.
Okay, good. That's what they told me. You gave me a chance this time. You watch. I will prove to you, man. And all I do is witness for Jesus. That's why I'm back in here anyway. There you go.
All right.
Yeah,
Good luck, sir.
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public trust. The courtroom once again demonstrated why fairness and law matter in society.
This courtroom case centered on a struggling homeowner facing the loss of his mobile home. Deerfield Estates argued that the property had been neglected, utilities were disconnected, and multiple violations remained unresolved. Emilio Castillo admitted he had fallen behind, but explained that financial hardship and personal challenges made it impossible to keep up with repairs. The judge spent nearly 20 minutes questioning him about his employment, living conditions, and future plans. As the hearing continued, the court learned that the home still held thousands of dollars in equity. Instead of ordering immediate removal, the judge gave Castillo one final opportunity to prove he could fix the situation.
In this courtroom, the judge carefully listened to every detail before reaching a decision. The court showed patience, fairness, and respect for both sides, while ensuring that accountability remained at the center of justice. The judge's words reflected the importance of responsibility, self-control, and respect for others. Rather than acting on emotion, the court relied on facts, evidence, and the rule of law. This case serves as a reminder that justice is not only about punishment, but also about protecting victims, encouraging accountability, and maintaining public